feel it coming.
Feel it coming. Oh, you
I
hit.
told you.
Wow.
I told you. Welcome to our Gambling Pugs channel. We are Robert and Elisa, and we hope you enjoy watching this video. Hey there, Gambling Pugs here. We are at Locket Link Riches Cash Crop. Maybe it'll crash too, who knows?
Right.
We're going to start off at 2 cents at 180 per credit for $3.60. Come on, come on. Oh, that would have been nice for a spin.
Right off the bat, yep.
So we need to get either 6 of those corns or 3, what was it? I don't remember.
3 farmhouses or barns.
Gotcha.
And the sunflowers
3
are
of
wild.
those.
Right.
Come on, come on, come on.
3 more. Oh.
Come on. Oh.
3. Oh,
One more. That should count.
Right.
One of those with 5 corns should count as 6 corns. It's lady math. Girl math.
Girl math, yeah. Ooh.
Should we go down to 240?
Sure.
Should we go down to a penny, you think?
Yeah, I think we should probably go ahead and do it.
Oh, wait. Aww. What denomination?
Probably 180.
I hate when that changes back every time you change the denomination. Just a pet peeve of mine.
2 more.
I want to grow cabbage that has blue sapphires in the middle.
What about the cherries with the ruby in it?
That would be good too.
Yeah.
Carrots with gems in them.
Yeah, right.
That'd be some pretty cool vegetables in our yard.
Not doing too great.
No.
Oh, 3 more of those.
Teased us right at the beginning with a bunch of the corn, and now we can't get anything.
Yeah, YouTube channel. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, what's your name?
I'm John, and this is Jody Slots.
Oh, okay.
What are you guys?
Gambling Pugs.
Gambling Pugs. Okay, well, what's up?
Yeah, it's true.
Thank you.
Come on.
Oh, I needed
so
more.
close. This is not going well.
No, it's not right now.
Gambling Pugs.
Pugs.
Yeah, we have 2 pugs at home, so.
Nice.
But yeah, that was nice to see another YouTube channel
Yeah.
here. Two more. Oh.
Come
Oh,
on.
man, that was...
It's got to give us something now, right?
Nope. Wow.
Well, you want to stay on this one, or you want to move over next door to Eureka Treasure Train and continue on that?
Yeah, let's continue on Eureka Treasure
Do the
Train.
play wager, Sam.
Yeah.
Oh,
it actually
we got
hit
free
it.
spin.
Watch it hit something on this.
Right? Let's hope. Nah.
No.
Okay, let's
All right,
move next
let's
door.
move over.
You know you're playing $6 a spin.
Now I did not know that. Bummer. Nope.
You don't have enough.
Oh.
You could go down to 120.
180.
I don't know.
Oh. Oh.
No, 60.
I know, I was hoping it'd actually let me. Nope.
Okay, so we moved over to Eureka Treasure Train. It's just like cashcrop, except we want to get 6 firecrackers or 3 mines. So let's try our luck at this one instead.
Hopefully this works out. Oh, 2 more.
Come on.
Oh.
They keep teasing us with that first
Yeah.
spin with 4 of them.
I want to see the one with the
I was
purple
gonna say, or
and
you need the
double
gold
ones.
one, yeah.
Yeah, because it does like an extra thing, I think, doesn't it?
A bigger board.
A bigger board, that's right. We saw on jackpot&x video.
Come on, we need something. Oh, where's the one in the middle?
Oh, wow. Well, not bad. At least we won something.
Finally.
Oh, 3
Come
more.
on.
Two more. Oh. At least we're making money on this one. Like it's 360 to 360. The other one was like 80 cents and stuff. So.
Yeah, we weren't getting anything.
Two more.
But see, you said that now we're not making anything. There we go.
Yeah, but you also switched the denomination there. So.
Well, that's true. Come on, one more.
Oh, come on, get 2 in the front and nothing in the back.
2 should count for 1.
Yeah.
Come on, firecrackers.
We won a little bit.
What?
We won a little bit.
Oh, yeah. I didn't hear what you said.
Keep it going.
Come on. Oh, let's try going down to a penny. Oh, yeah. I hate that. There's that
Yeah,
gold
that's
one,
what we
purple
wanna
one,
see.
yeah.
You see the purple one or
we
the
just need
one
4
the
more
double
with
ones?
it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Oh,
there it is
again. Come on, we know you want to hit. Let's do it. Don't tease us.
Right? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Oh.
Come on. I just want those little gold nuggets all the way across.
Yeah, everybody wants that, but that's too hard. Come on, 4 more. Oh. Oh, really? You get 2 in
2
the
at
end
the
now?
end, right?
You get 2 in the front, but not 2 in the end.
Where's that middle one again?
Yep. Oh, you got your gold nuggets there, but
Just need all the others to be gold nuggets too.
right. Well, I don't think we're getting another bonus at all. Neither one of these. Shush my mouth, right?
Don't jinx it.
Well, let's see.
I feel it coming.
Do what?
I feel it coming.
Feel it coming. Oh, you
I
did?
told you.
Wow.
I told you. Don't ever doubt me.
Don't ever tell me.
Yahoo!
Oh, that's funny.
Come on. We need them right around here. Firecrackers. There we go. There we go. That's good.
That's good.
Mine are available. Come on, get these 2 at least. Okay. Or get that one now. That one would be really nice. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on. Oh,
Come on, come on. Last spin.
no.
Okay. That'll be 180. 180. 360. Oh, 900.
$9.
Come on, Marina. Miner is $50 right now.
30, 30.
Oh, that's a good one. Come on, more red ones.
Big one.
There we go. There we go.
Oh,
Come on,
that's it,
another
really?
train. Another train.
I don't know what we're doing.
No.
Nope. Oh,
Only 9 cards. We could have got, I think it's a 25.
yeah.
That's a bummer.
That's okay. $40.
Yeah. Told you I felt it coming.
You did. That was a good call. Call it again.
I thought about it.
Don't think about it. Do
You
it.
gotta feel it.
Oh yeah. What do you feel?
Well, you don't want to know right now what I feel. Oh, my stomach. No, I'm
Oh, no,
kidding.
yeah.
Come on, more firecrackers.
And more gold nuggets.
Firecracker, firecracker. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, we got gold all the way across.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
$24, more than the actual
We're
bonus.
aligned it, yeah. Well, no, the bonus
2
is
more.
40.
Oh, the bonus was 40. That's right.
There's your 2 more.
All right.
Come on, we gotta get another bonus.
2 more. Oh.
That should count at least as 1 mine.
Right.
That's the one that gives you the 2 boards, I think. That
Oh,
gold
the
one that's
split
split,
one?
yeah.
Okay.
All together.
Yeah.
Come on. It's bonus time.
Oh, come on.
Come
2 more.
on.
4
Oh,
more.
we never got that double board on this.
I said 2 more, but I need 4.
Yeah.
I forgot that
That's
doesn't
2
really
more.
count as 2.
Right, it's a double board.
Come on, come on. Oh.
donkeys.
Donkey.
Hey, donkey.
Huh. Oh, one more. One more. Oh, three more. One
Come
more.
on.
Oh, it dropped fast too, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I can't spin like you, so.
Oh, okay. You saying I have the magic touch?
Yeah.
I'm not winning much either.
Well, you got us back up. So keep playing.
And now I got us back down. Come on.
Oh, you did it. One more.
We want one more bonus. Let's go.
Two more.
Those
Man.
firecrackers should be one.
Come on, two more. Oh, come on. One more. Come on.
Oh,
Really?
wow.
That's just mean.
Yep.
Nice little line hit.
Yep. Come on, I want another bonus. Firecrackers. Firecrackers. Let's do it. Firecrackers.
Come on. Oh. Oh, two more.
Aw.
Oh, you suck.
Maybe I should be more specific. 6 firecrackers.
Right? You know they're dynamite, not firecrackers, right?
Oh, my bad. Well, now you tell me?
Ah, sorry.
That's why it's not coming. I'm calling the wrong thing.
Yep.
Come on,
Sure.
dynamite.
Oh, really? That would have been awesome if you actually counted.
You've been letting me call it firecrackers this whole time.
I'm sorry. It was
Wow, make me look like a fool. While you're sitting here laughing at me every time. Stupid. That's what you're doing, huh?
Nope, didn't do that. No, you're wrong.
I was wondering what you were laughing at this whole time.
I wasn't laughing.
Come on, dynamite.
I didn't even think about it until I was like, well, you know, it's
I
actually
know, I'm
dynamite.
kidding with you.
One more,
come
come
on.
on. Oh.
That's not fair.
No, it's not.
Come on, machine. If you don't want us to leave, you gotta give us a bonus. We're not real greedy. We just want the major.
Yep.
I mean, the grand would be nice, of course.
One more, come on. Oh, see, those are now coming in different areas. They were just coming in the first
Yeah.
two.
That's still the first 2 spots.
Wow.
Ah,
Wow. Play the wager saver on that?
Sure.
Right? All right.
16 cents. What are we gonna do with it?
True.
Well, we didn't have luck this time, but maybe next time we'll have some more luck on this.
See you in the next video. Take care.
Bye. Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Here's a couple more videos we think you'll enjoy.